Hello everyone, this is Hassan from HDFX, and I would like to update the Euro US dollar chart that we did a couple of days ago. Actually, it was last week, I think. And let's update it. Actually, this is a little bit earlier update, but the market after the FOMC yesterday somehow evolved into the other scenario. There were two scenarios that we were thinking about, and it evolved a little bit more on this side, and this is why I had to change it a little bit, and here I am. Now, guys, we were thinking about the fact that there was this triangle finish something, okay, and then a move started. So this is the E wave, okay, it was this was the D wave of the triangle, the C wave, wave A, and a wave B, and this was the X wave. So it was happening at the end of a complex correction. And we were saying something on the bigger degree has ended here. Okay, so we will put a question mark here because we don't know actually what did finish. So then the question starts like this. Did this move ended here? A, B, C. What it is a zigzag. Let's actually draw a zigzag together. So zigzag does look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is an impulsive move, just like this one. 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and a 5. Now whenever you put number 5, you have to understand that this impulsive move finishes something on the bigger degree. In our case, it finished a wave A. Then I ask myself this question, okay, what pattern do I have that has the wave A as an impulsive move? The only answer is zigzag. Okay, good. If that's the case, what I should do is I should draw a fib level, okay, from the start of the move to the end of the move and check the 618 level. Because if I have a retracement for the B wave, because after wave A is done, what do you think we are going for? We are going for, uh, sorry for this, but we'll need it, for a wave B. If we have a wave B more than that going more than 618, then we have a trouble. It means that you are, if this is really an impulsive move, it means that this is not a zigzag, but an impulsive move, like for example, wave 1, wave 3, or wave 5, okay? Or a wave C, and actually this is some part of an X wave that you're just missing. So the B wave cannot go more than 618. So this is the theory, and let's apply it to the charts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our B wave doesn't go more than 618. Good. The next thing that you have to know is this. In a zigzag, the C wave is also an impulsive move. So if this is the B wave, you go for the C wave, such as like this. 1, 2, 3. The 3 has to be a little bit bigger. So because you need an extension. It doesn't have to be the third wave always gets the extension. The fourth wave and a fifth wave. Cool. Now the third thing that you have to ask yourself is this. Okay, I have my zigzag, so wave A is impulsive, wave B is corrective and doesn't go 618, and wave C is impulsive as well. Good. The third thing that you have to ask is this. The time taking for wave A should be similar for the time taking for wave C. So, is this similar? No. So what do? We fix it. How? Like this. Okay. So, what I did, I took this, put it here. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we a little bit short? Well, yes, uh, 2, 3 candles. Is that okay? Absolutely, it can happen. Now, now that we have the ABC like in theory here, we have to ask ourselves one question: does this a zigzag move is a simple correction or it is a complex correction? So I drop my 0 to B trend line and I take the time taken for wave C to form and put it on the right side, and I'm trying to understand, do I have a move that goes back to the B wave in this due time? Now let's do it on the reality. Do we have after the C wave a move that's going and breaking this? No, we don't. So what does this mean? Well, it means that this move that started here, that ended here and started here, it not ended here, but it's still going. Now, then you have an X wave and A, B, C, D, E. Now, this is still, we are not, we cannot say this is for certain, but this is looks more like it. And then, if that's the end of a wave, it means that this has finished something here. Let's say this is a wave A. If this is the wave A, then you should be looking for 618 from start to the end. So the 618 should come. If this is an A wave of a, for example, um, a flat. Because why I'm saying flat? Because this is a complex correction, a corrective wave. Wave A, corrective wave, cannot be a zigzag. Understand? So if this wave A, it can be either a flat. If this is a wave A, of course, it can be either a flat or a triangle. Because we don't know this degree at the what it ended here, then we have to assume that it's either wave A of a triangle or wave A of a flat. But also because we don't know the degree, it can be an X wave or actually some part of another kind of complex correction or another correction. It can be even second wave, fourth wave. So in reality, what you have to do is write all the possibilities, okay? So it can be a wave A of a flat. This can be wave B of a flat. This can be wave B of a zigzag, okay? This can be a wave 2. This can be a wave 4. This can be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a terminal move, okay? It can be a wave A, wave A, B, C, D, E of a triangle. And also it can be an X wave. Now, these are your options. You have to write it all the time. Okay, so something in this structure on this finished here. Now, where this should supposed to go depends on what it is. For example, if this is a wave A of a flat, then 618 must come. If this is a wave B of a flat, okay, then an impulsive move start, and we cannot give a very good target for it. But what you can do? Well, you can use different techniques to see if you want to use this. You can use different techniques to come up with, for example, a target for yourself, such as, well, let's get rid of this theory part and let's talk about it. Sorry, it's harder to delete than to draw it. Cool. Now, where is your wave started? Well, here. Where it finished, well, we are thinking it's either here or here, but I will gonna choose here. So I take my fib level from start to the end. Okay. So what I would do, I would try to find places that actually works within trend lines and, for example, within uh, within trend lines and within fib levels. So for example, let's take this green trend line as an example. It was support, 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 fake break, support, broken, retested, and then going down. Yes. So this was a, if it was before, of course, this was a great place to sell if you had this already analysis as well. Okay. Also, what you can see is after here, you can think this, you can take this, you can take this, and you should also always look left for structure levels to see what's going on. And also, you can try to understand what kind of wave it starts, okay, to have a good prediction. If you think that this is a wave A of a flat and you're targeting 618 here, then you should always make the trade risk-free. Take little, break, make it risk-free. Take little, you move your stop to break even. You should always operate like this. Because why? Even though this does look like this, it can still be an X wave in a part of here in a um, like completely opposite triangle. So the B here, D here, and this triangle will break to the upside. Okay, then that can change things, and that can be only the X wave, and then we will have another corrective wave as well. Okay, that's another possibility too. Also, I'm sure many of you will think that this is the ones that who are not into this Elliot wave. This is the head and shoulders. Well, this can be it as well, because the void of the head is usually between the neckline, and the void of the head is usually uh, the the target. Also, always the first target is 618 of that. Okay, so let's take 618 and put it on the here. As you can see, it gives my 0.382, 386. 386, no, 236. I'm sorry. So this is how to make targets for yourself. Okay, but of course, please don't take this as an invested advice. I will not sell or buy. I don't know. Like I may, but I will not share it here because it's my personal view. But this is an educational kind of video, so don't even think about this as an investment advice, which I don't give never. But this is an educational video. So I hope you get the idea. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next videos. Peace.